Hello students, today we will do exercise 15.1, question number 14 and 15 from chapter 15, probability of class 10. So in question number 14, what thing is given, we will check that. One card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting 6 parts are given there. So 52 cards as given, we will write 52 cards, the given thing. And first we will do that first part, a king of red color. So this question belongs to that playing cards. So we discussed those things in my previous videos also, playing card introduction. So you can check these things in the previous video. So according to the question, a king of red color. So we will check. Red color means 52 cards are divided into 4 parts, 2 of red color and 2 of black color. So in the question they are asking a king of red color. So red color belongs to these two sets. These two sets of red color, and they are asking about king. So one king is there in this set and other king is there from the other red set. So only from these red two sets, two kings are there. So now we will find the probability for that. So first we will check what will be the formula for the probability, as we did that earlier also. Probability of an event is equal to number of favorable outcomes or number of favorable cases upon total number of possible outcomes. Total number of possible outcomes. So according to this part, we are finding the probability of getting a king of red color. King of red color. So how many kings are there of red color? As I told you, one king from this set and one king from this set. So total 2 kings are there. So total 2 kings out of total possible cases. So total possible cases are 52 cards as given. So upon 52, we will simplify it, we will cancel it. So 1 upon 26 will be the answer. So this was the first part. In the second part, what is given? A face card. We'll find out the probability for a face card out of 52 cards. So probability of getting a face card. So how many face cards are there? So face card means jack, queen and king. These are the face cards. So in one set 3 face cards are there. So total 4 sets are there. So 4 3s are 12. Total 12 face cards are present in 52 cards. So we are finding the probability of a face card. So total 12 face cards are there out of 52 cards. This is the probability. Now we will simplify it, and after simplifying it, it will become 3 upon 30. Now we will move to third part. In the third part, they are asking about probability of a red face card. Probability of a red face card. Previous section they were asking about a face card only. They didn't say anything red or black, but in this part they are asking about a red face card. So we will consider only the red sets of 52 cards. So these two are the red sets. So red face card. So these are the 3 face card from one set and 3 face card from the other red set. So total 3 plus 3, 6 face cards are there. So red face card, total red face card are 6 out of 52 cards. Again we will simplify it, and the answer will come 3 upon 26. This was the third part. Now we will do fourth part. So in the fourth part, they are asking about the jack of hearts. The jack of hearts. So we will write probability of the jack of hearts. Jack of hearts. So jack of heart. So we will see only this section, heart section. This is the heart section. So jack of heart, how many jacks are there? Only one jack is there. Only one jack is there in the heart section. So we will write down only one jack is present. So 1 upon total possible outcome, total cards 52. So 1 upon 52 is the probability of jack of hearts. Fifth part is probability of getting a spade. Probability of getting a spade. So probability of getting a spade means they are talking about this section, this spade section only. They didn't say any jack, queen or number card. They are saying that one card from the spade section. So how many cards in this set? Total 13 cards are there in the spade section. So we will write 13 cards under that spade section. 13 upon total cards 52. So after simplification it will come 1 upon 4 is the probability for a spade. Last part of this question, sixth part is they are asking about the probability of getting the queen of diamonds. The queen of diamonds. So the probability of getting the queen of diamonds. The queen of diamonds. So now we will check the diamond section. This is the diamond section. So how many queens are there? Only one queen is there. Only one queen is there. So we will write down here 1, because one queen is there in the diamond section out of 52 card. So 1 upon 52 is the probability for this part. Now question number 15. 5 cards, 10 jack, queen, king and ace of diamond. So 10 jack, queen, king and ace of diamond cards are given, are from the well shuffled with their face downwards. One card is then picked up at random. So 2 parts are given here. What is the probability that the card is the queen? This is the first part. So first we will do this part. So we will check out what the given thing is there. So 5 cards are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These 5 cards are there. First is 10, then jack, then queen, king and ace of diamond. Ace of diamond. So diamond is of red color. This is the ace of diamond. So these are the total 5 cards. So they are saying that they are face downwards. So face downwards means we don't know which card is there. I am showing you these 5 cards. Those are given in the question. 10, jack, queen, king. So those are like that. So we don't know where is 10, where is jack, where is queen and where is the ace of diamond. So they are the downward face. So they are saying that one card randomly they pick. Randomly means any card they pick. And what is the probability that the picking card will be the queen? So we will find the probability for that. Probability for, this is the first part, probability of getting a queen. Probability of getting a queen. So probability of getting in these 5 cards only one queen is there. So probability of getting total possible cases, because 5 cards are there, these are 5 cards. So first we will write down total possible cases. Out of 5 cards, total possible cases 5, and only one queen is there, so favorable outcome is 1. So getting a queen, probability for that is 1 upon 5. Now second case, they are asking, if the queen is drawn and put aside, what is the probability that the second card picked up is, now again two parts are given under that, an ace and a queen. So queen is cancelled. Cancelled means they have put that aside. So now how many cards are left? 1 2 3 4. 4 cards are left, and out of 4 cards, in the first what they are asking, an ace. So probability of getting an ace, probability of getting an ace, how we can find out? Total possible cases now 4, right? And out of these 4 cases, probability of getting an ace, so one ace is there out of 4 cards, so probability is 1 upon 4. In the B part, they are asking, what is the probability of getting a queen? So queen is already we taken aside, so probability of getting a queen, because queen is not present in these cards, remaining cards, so out of these 4 cards no queen is there, means 0. So 0 upon 4 is 0 probability for a queen.